Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you probably love trading and you're looking for ways to maximize your profits on Olymp trade without spending extra money, right? Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to share some exclusive 100% working Olymp trade promo codes that can boost your deposit bonuses instantly. But here's the thing, these codes are limited, so make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll also show you how to apply them correctly and give you a secret tip to keep getting new codes every month. Let's jump right in. So, Olymp Trade is one of the most popular trading platforms out there, and they often release promo codes for bonuses. These bonuses can help you start trading with more capital without investing extra money. But here's the catch. Most of the codes you find online are expired or fake. That's why I've done all the research for you and found the ones that are still active right now. Here are the working codes you can use today. OT 2025 bonus gives you 50% deposit bonus on any deposit above $20. Trade up 30, get 30% extra when you deposit $50 or more. Olymp 10, 10% bonus on all deposits, no minimum limit. VibBoost 50. Use this for a 50% bonus if you're upgrading to VIP status. Smart Trader 25, add 25% bonus for deposits of $100 or above. Big Win 15, grab an extra 15% bonus on your next deposit. March Deal 40, for a limited time, get 40% extra on deposits over $50. Now, before you rush to use them, let me quickly explain how to apply these codes the right way. Log into your Olymp Trade account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Go to the deposit section, enter the amount you want to deposit. There will be an option to enter a promo code. Just copy and paste any of the codes I mentioned earlier. Confirm your deposit and boom, your bonus will reflect instantly. Affiliate tip. If you're serious about trading, always use these bonuses strategically. Don't just deposit blindly, plan your trades, and let the bonus amplify your profits. And if you're new to Olymp Trade, I've added my special link in the description that gives you an additional welcome bonus on your first deposit. Don't miss that. So there you have it, the latest and verified Olymp Trade promo codes for 2025. These codes don't last forever, so use them while they're active. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more legit trading tips and bonus codes, and drop a comment below telling me which code worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more amazing trading hacks. Until then, happy trading and stay profitable.